automatic replenishment and direct replenishment. So the commonly used strategy is the planned replenishment. So in the planned replenishment, so system will calculate the minimum or maximum quantity from the product master. So if you look at the screenshot, so this is the product master screen. So there is a similar to warehouse data. So there is a storage type data. Here we can specify from where we need to replenish the stock. For example, so this is the reserve bin. So you can say T051, you just consider this as the reserve bin. So like we always like we need to replenish this stock based on this minimum replenishment quantity and maximum quantity. So maximum quantity, so for this is 1000. So minimum replenishment quantity is also 1000. So whenever the stock in this storage type so falls below the 1000, so system automatically create the warehouse task from reserve bins to the primary bins. So here in this storage type, in this product master, the storage type which we assigned, it is the primary bins. It is not this reserve bins, it is the primary bin. So whenever the stock in this storage type falls below the 1000 minimum replenishment quantity, so system will always like create the warehouse task automatically in the background from reserve bins to the primary bins. So that is a planned replenishment. So this is this transaction. So user can execute manually, or they can just schedule the background job just for the automatic execution of the report. So then it will create the warehouse task. So order related replenishment. So this is for the outbound delivery order. So for the outbound delivery order, so when we have the outbound delivery order in the EWM system, so at the time of creation of the picking warehouse task for the delivery, so what system will do is like a system will check for the stock in the storage bin. If the stock does stock in the storage bin does not match the requested quantity in the outbound delivery order item, then system will perform the replenishment based on the maximum and minimum quantity which is assigned in the product master. So based on that, system will automatically fulfill the required quantity in storage bin, so that user can perform the creation of the picking warehouse task. So that is called order related replenishment. And automatic replenishment, so for example, we have the outbound delivery order and the picking warehouse task is already created, but at the time of picking, so when the user physically go into the storage bin, but you will not find the exact quantity. So then, so system will trigger the automatic replenishment. Then the quantity from the reserve bin, so move to the picking bin. So that is based on the maximum and minimum quantity, which is maintained in the product master. So this is like it will perform automatically in the background. Yeah, so this is the automatic replenishment. It is performed automatically in the background, so at the time of warehouse task confirmation. And direct replenishment, so this is also again like this step T051 is the replenishment storage type. That means the primary storage bin. So this again works during the confirmation of the picking warehouse task. For example, if the user wants to confirm the stock warehouse task, but the stock in the storage bin is 0. So then at the time he can use the exception code while confirming the warehouse task. So then the system will find the suitable bin. So system will automatically determine the alternative bin which is having the sufficient quantity. So that is called replenishment. So then the user can confirm the warehouse task for the picking. So movements and posting, it is just internal movements and posting changes in the EWM system. So internal movements is nothing but movement of stock from one bin to another bin, or one store location to other store location. So this is nothing but a movement of stock within the warehouse. And posting change is nothing but changing the stock type. For example, unrestricted to block stock, or unrestricted is to mm, uh, scrapping stock. So that means if the stock in the unrestricted use, if that is damaged, then we need to change the trigger the posting change to change the stock type of the stock. So attack movements, it is just like in day-to-day activities, like user wants to perform some attack movements. For example, so they want to bring the pallet from the high rack to the packing work center. So they want to repack the pallet in the packing work center. So then they will just bring the pallet to the packing work center. So just using the ADAC transactions in EWM system. So from one bin to another bin. So posting change. So as I explained, like it is like change of stock type from unrestricted use to block stock or scrap stock. And also it is possible for change of the product of the batch number, or change of the stock usage and the owner. So this is there is a transaction slash SAWM slash POST. So user will execute, then it will automatically create the warehouse stock for the posting change, and it will confirm immediately. So next is the physical inventory. So in the physical inventory, so physical inventory in EWM can be done either product or storage bin specific. If you perform a storage bin specific, then the physical inventory will carried out for the entire storage bin. If the storage bin contains multiple storage products, then the physical inventory will take place for all the products within that particular storage bin. If it is a product specific, then it is the physical inventory will be triggered for a particular product. So the physical inventory can be carried out for the different stock types, like unrestricted use in put away or warehouse, for block stock or quality inspection stock. So there are different physical inventory methods, like periodic physical inventory procedure, or continuous physical inventory procedures, or cycle counting. So there are different physical inventory processes. So in general, so this is the physical inventory procedure which is commonly used in most of the industries. So this is the overview of the physical inventory process, like how the physical inventory documents will be created. So based on the product, or based on the storage bin specific. And also we can print the physical inventory document after the creation. So the process involves, so first the creation of the physical inventory document. So initially the status will be inactive. So then, so we need to activate the physical inventory document. So then we need to initiate the counting. So then once the counting is done, status will change to counted. So that means the user will print this physical inventory document, and he will go into the like particular bin, and he will count the stock, and he will just write down the counted stock in the physical inventory document paper. So and he will just update the physical quantity. in the